This is Chris from Fanatical. What I just quickly wanted to show you was the scenario in Excel where if I want to calculate a percentage and it divides by zero, then you actually get that, divide by zero error message and just how to get rid of that. And so what we can see here, I've just quick little report or example here is I'm dividing C8 by B8. And so for the most part, right, it's all good. I've got values, but here in this row, I don't have any. So if I had to do a percentage calculation, and let's say I'm dividing that one, let's say by the prior month, and I am just wanting to do that as a percentage, there we can see. And if I had to copy that down, then I get this by, divide by zero error message. So just how to get rid of that is, or how to deal with that is just to use the if error statement in Excel. So standard Excel. So if I just do that, and then we can see Excel actually guides me as to what I must do. So there we can see it says if error, if my value, and then what do you want it to be if it is an error. So in my example, all that I wanted to return is just a zero. And so then I just close the brackets, I open the brackets, I close the brackets. And so now, and I'm just going to press enter. So then it just closes, and gives me a 0%. You can put in anything in there, right? So it's any way that you want. And I just copy that formula down, probably just copy it all the way down, right? So, and up there as well, I should have just probably done it at the top one, but very quickly. So that's just a way there, just to deal with that divide by zero error message. Okay, thank you.